In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Loklok app in Android TV. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So to download Loklok on Android smart TVs, Loklok works on many Android smart TVs like Sony, Samsung, LG, Acer, Micromax, TCL, Toshiba, and Linux smart TVs, including Android models. To set it up on your device, just connect Android TV to the internet, download Loklok APK on your phone, then transfer APK to TV and allow installation from unknown sources. Install and open Loklok to start streaming. So this was how to download Loklok on your Android smart TVs. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.